In this video, let's explore the importance of Python keywords and identifiers. In Python, keywords are reserved words that have predefined meanings and cannot be used as variable names or any other identifiers in your code. So, they play a very crucial role in languages' syntax and structure. Some common Python keywords include you can see false, none, true, if, else, so and many more. So these keywords have some specific functionalities, and using them as variable names would lead to syntax errors. So if you are defining a variable name, you cannot use these common keywords as the variable names. So identifiers, on the other hand, are nothing but the names used to identify variables, functions, classes, modules, and other objects in your Python code. They provide a way to refer these entities and manipulate them. Identifiers can be composed of letters, both smaller and uppercase, digits and underscore. However, they must follow certain rules, such as an identifier must start with a letter or underscore and not being a reserved keyword. So this is the rule which an identifier should follow. And it's important to choose meaningful and descriptive identifiers that reflect the purpose of the variable or object they represent. Okay, this improves code readability and helps other developers understand your code. So let's consider an example. Say if you are if you have a variable representing a person's age, using an identifier like age would be more meaningful than using some vague like x or where one. Okay, so instead of that, so if you name that variable as age, it is more readable. So by understanding the distinction between keywords and identifiers, you can write clean and meaningful code that is easier to read, understand, and maintain. If you want to get all the keywords in Python, so you can import a package called keyword, and list all the Python keywords, like keyword.kwlist will list you all the Python keywords. And you can also view the total number of keywords, like keyword.kwlist will show you the total number of keywords. So there are 35 keywords in Python. Coming to identifier, like I said, there are rules for writing identifiers. So first one is identifiers can be a combination of letters in lowercase A to Z. You can use uppercase letters, or you can also use digits or also an underscore. But an identifier cannot start with a digit. Remember, like one variable is invalid, but variable one is preferably perfectly fine. And keywords cannot be used as identifiers. So say if you write global equals 1, you see global is a keyword. If you see global is a keyword here, right? So if you use global equals 1, then you get a syntax error, invalid syntax. We cannot use, and also we cannot use special symbols like hyphen. So all these special characters you cannot use as a identifier name. So like a at equals 10. So this also gives you syntax error. This was all about Python keywords and identifiers.